Wagwan people, back again with another video. Guys, I'm at the doctor's office today. I had a little problem with my back.
When I say I get weak, boy, weak.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
The other day, so I'm coming back for a follow-up visit. I don't know, so he's gonna read the results and tell me what's going on with my back. Cause last week, man, I was in so much pain, guys. Welcome everybody to my channel. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe and share the video. Well, today, guys, I'm gonna get a follow-up visit right now. So, guys, I'll talk to you in a minute. I'll tell you what's going on later, guys. Peace. Guys, I have to wait for my time. There's some people in front of me, so I have to wait for my time, guys. So I'm just here outside waiting. I want to see if I can get through early today because I have some other things to do on the road. So big up on yourself, big up everybody, big up all my supporters, big up all my well-wishers, big up everybody. Thank you guys for continuing to come to my channel and support Teflondon. Enough respect to you guys. I'm just so eager to get results of my test. I did some testing ultrasound the other day on my back because I was in so much pain. I was in a lot of pain, guys. But you know, God is good, you know. The pain is not so bad again. I got some medication and things like that, so you know, I'm just waiting for the test results. So with that said, guys, hope to see the doctor very soon. Hope I don't have to be here too long. Yeah, man, so later, guys, later. Yes people, I was in the doctor office for about, let's say 2 hours. Had a long wait. I thought it wasn't gonna be a long wait, but thank God my results was good. He said nothing's wrong with my spine. I was explaining to him I do YouTube and I sit up a lot on long periods of time. So he's just saying to me, say, look, I just need to have a good support when I sit back, support my back properly and don't overdo it. You know what I mean? I said try not to do a lot of hours sitting up for a long period of time without support. So thank God, you know what I mean? I said thank God there's nothing wrong with my spine. It was just sprained a little bit. You know what I mean? I said, so, you know, I'm just thanking God, people. So like I said, big up all my well-wishers and big up everybody that's been supporting me all along. But Teflon is good. Teflon is good, people. Giving thanks for life and giving God thanks for everything. You know what I say? So guys, I'll see you in the next one. It was just a short little vlog coming along with me just to the doctor. So thank you guys for everything. I'll see you again in the next one, guys. Peace.